Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to have different borders in Microsoft Word to make your document look amazing. So you're going to open your Word document. Okay, I'm just going to use a blank document. Here in design, right here, design tab, you can see at the end it says page borders. Click on that. Okay, so in page borders you can click on box right here. Okay, and then you can click on the style, whatever style you want. There's multiple styles. Okay, click on this. You can click on this. And then the color, you can even choose the color. You can get creative with it. Let me just choose purple, and you can choose the width, and if you want you can even choose it as an art. Okay, so let's do without the art one, and you can see that's just a simple border. But if I want to change it to, you can see it's dotted. Okay, and if I want to change the art, just do that. Yeah, so you can get creative. You can do a lot with this border to make your document look professional and very different from other documents that are there. So that's all for this video guys. I hope it helped you, and yeah, thanks for watching.